Isinapubliko na ni Bea Bores ang kanyang panganganak sa baby niya na si Hopi. December 15 pa nga lamang ay nanganak na si Bea, ngunit hindi niya ito kaagad ibinahagi sa mga tao. Sa kadahilanan na nasa neonatal intensive care unit ang kanyang anak o NICU. Sa hospital dahil sa high-risk pregnancy na siya namang inamin ni Bea noong nakaraang taon. Graduate na nga si baby Hopi sa NICU kaya naman proud na proud si Bea sa pagiging matatag ng kanyang baby. If you think him strong, my baby Hopi is stronger. She fought harder than did. After 44 days in the NICU, P is finally going home.
Unboxing gifts for Hopi Part 15! So this one is from Baby Breza and I'm so grateful kasi ito talaga, kailangan ko talaga to. Wala pa ako neto. Gagamit ko talaga to, like I'm sure. So let's open it up! Let's open it up! Guys, you know what? Yung mga gamit ng baby, hindi basta-basta lang ha. Like they really have their own stuff. And ang daming ganun ng Baby Breza. Open it up. Ang laki no, pero pang baby to. Open it. And we have another box. Because this is fragile talaga eh. Muna talaga i-reveal kung ano to. Woo! It's another box! So, this one is a bottle washer. This is a bottle washer pro. Paano nagsistruggle si Gio? Yon. So, this is the Baby Breza Bottle Washer Pro. And I've been seeing this on TikTok. It really saves you a lot of time, guys. Kaya, I'm so grateful for this. I'm so excited to use this sa mga bottles ni P. Complete siya ng bottle. So, should I open it na? Sige na nga, open ko na nga siya. Pasilip lang. Pero honestly, I don't wanna open it yet. Kasi, my baby's room is not yet ready. So, baka I'll do a separate video on that. Pero, ayoko muna kasi siya tanggalin. But yeah, this is the Bottle Washer Pro. You guys will see me naman in the future using this. So, thank you so much, Baby Breza!